An early branch on the amniote tree led to mammals, a group of vertebrates with hair or fur which produce milk to feed their young. Mammals increased in diversity and numbers after the extinction of the dinosaurs at the end of the Cretaceous period. The Cenozoic era is sometimes called the Age of Mammals because of their dominance. A few modern mammals still lay eggs. The platypus is an example. Marsupials give birth to live young at an early stage of development. The newborn crawls into a protective pouch on its mother's body to complete its development. Examples of this group are kangaroos and opossums. All other mammals and most mammal species living today are placental mammals. They're named for having a placenta, an organ that helps the exchange of nutrients and wastes between the mother and the developing offspring. Placental mammals give birth to offspring that are more developed than the young of marsupials. Some important groups of mammals are rodents, such as rats, squirrels, and beavers, bats, which are the only flying mammals, two large groups of hoofed animals, carnivores, such as cats, dogs, bears, and seals, insectivores, such as shrews, moles, and hedgehogs, and the group to which humans belong, the primates, which also includes lemurs, monkeys, and apes. It was a long climb, but we finally made it to the branch of the tree of life to which humans belong.